Welcome back, guys, and today I'm going to be doing a repair on this. So it's kind of going to be a teardown kind of a repair. So I just thought I'd record it in case anyone is interested in it. This is the Mono, I think that's how you say it, Moona bed pillow cooling system. Oh, there it is right there. And I don't know if you know this, but right here I broke this. It is supposed to look like that, but I broke these parts off when it fell because the power brick that attaches to this was too heavy and it fell off my bedside table. So there's definitely some flaws with this system I'm already noticing, which, you know, led to this. So let's go ahead and tear this down. I've already teared this down once before, but it was really simple and I barely disconnected anything. It was just to see how difficult it would be to actually replace this. And I contacted the company. They said they'd be able to do it for me. I just have to pay for shipping, which was awesome. And then I was like, can I have an address? And they were like, actually, you just need to buy a new one. We can't do that. I was like, I'm not doing that. And I eventually found this part. It took forever. I searched everywhere for this. Finally found this part. Went and bought it immediately as soon as I found it. So now I can do it myself. So that's what we're gonna do. So the first thing we need to do is just kind of pop this up. I remember that. I might need to get a tool out for that. Actually, let me see. Let's try this. I don't know if this is what I did last time, but this should work. I might need multiple of them. Let's see, I have a ton of these. Yeah, see, there we go, it's coming apart. Here, I'll zoom in a little bit more. There we go. So now we can see the main cooling system. This is the water reservoir. You got the digital screen up there, the power button on the back, so you have to be careful when opening this because you don't want to break any of the cords. Just put that on the side. And there are a lot of screws, a lot of cords, a ton of stuff just going on right here. I mean, it looks pretty simple, but then also complicated at the same time just because of all the cords. But the next step we need to do is there are actually these screws right here on the side. I don't know how well you can see those, but there's several of those all along the outside, which we're gonna need to take off to get down to this part right here. And in fact, we might have to take off a couple more things just because I remember taking all those out and I was only able to lift this up a little bit because it was attached to something. So we'll see. Let me get my screwdriver because I'm not exactly sure what size it was. I'm gonna start on a screw that's not stripped out just to test it. Okay, that is coming out. Look at that, there we go. That's one screw. Let's see if I can just dump it all out. Okay, there's nothing under that one either. Oh, actually, I think I can take this off. I think I can take this off and get it. It's not my first choice since that looks like a pretty crucial part. I would rather not mess with it. long as I'm putting it back in the right spot, I guess it'll be fine. Okay, I think that one's out. There we go. We got the other one here. Now, oh, okay. Don't break anything. Now that's not attached to anything, so this should just come right off, if I'm not mistaken. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Oh my gosh, there's one last screw right here. I completely missed that. You know what? We're actually gonna unplug these real quick. It'll make it a lot easier for me. Oh, I don't want to break it. Don't break it. Don't break it. Don't break it. Oh, I'm gonna break this. I just know it. Okay, we're gonna leave that one. I'll remove those top two. That should be good enough. Yeah, that's working. There we go. Okay. Now this should just come off. Might be catching over here. Let's see. Oh, there is a cord that goes down here too. Okay. Okay, I think at this point I should be able to access it enough that I can do the repair. They definitely did not make it easy for me though. So, there we go, we got that. It would be a lot easier if I could just get this disconnected, but I'd have to do some soldering, and yeah, I think overall it's going to be more work than it's worth. Because I have a pretty good access to it right there. I just need to find something to prop it up. Let me see, maybe this will work. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I guess now it's time for the repair. So here's what we're working with, and right there is the zip ties that are holding it on to this part. So I need to cut those off so that I can reattach them. And that actually reminds me I need to go get some zip ties. I have some, but I need to find them. So I got my cutting tool right here, and I got some zip ties. So these ones might actually be the exact same size they used on that, which is awesome. So now I'm gonna cut it. Oh, there we go. I did it. So I just smashed it, it looks like. And that just released it. I don't think any damage was done to the tube, which is awesome. And then we got one more of those right on the other side. Just gotta get that out without damaging it, and we're pretty much in the clear. Oh, we did it. We did it. Look at that. I should be able to pull this out. Might be a little bit of work. Sorry, not getting a better video of this. There we go. Just twist and turn this. Water in there, but look at that. We got it out, and now we can see which size is actually right. And it looks like, yep, that one. Perfect match. It's just like that. So it looks like I'm gonna be able to repair this after all. That's awesome. It's a little bit more, this one's a little more yellowish. But that is awesome that it's gonna work out. But here we go. So we're gonna put this part in now. So I'm just gonna do that. And we're gonna push it in. Just like that. And then keep pushing it in until we get it comfortable in a comfortable position right there. Oh, that one might have been a little too far. A little bit too far. Here. Yeah, I put it on there too far. Pull it out a little bit. Just like that. A little bit looser. There we go. Perfect. So we got that one on, and I'm gonna zip tie it. So I'm gonna start off by cutting off a little bit because I don't need this much. It's just gonna get in the way. So we got our zip tie. Let's see what is the best way to do this. I'm gonna put it under it and then lift it up with the screwdriver. So I get a loop. There we go. And hopefully I did it the right way. Yep, there we go. So I just tighten that. Tighten that down as much as possible. I think that is good just like that. Oh, that might have actually fallen off the... Yeah, I think that fell off the thing. Hopefully that's not a problem. There we go. There we go. That was a lot of work. Put that back in position. Because look, you see that one? It's not really on the tube, so I want to make sure it stays on the tube this time. There we go. That one is definitely on the tube. So hopefully having two there won't cause any issues. Hopefully that will actually just make it a little bit safer, prevent water leaks. Okay, now time for the other one. Hopefully this is a one and done situation. I think it's kind of trying to slip off it. Put it up there. Tighten it a little bit more. There we go. I think that's on there pretty good. Now you guys couldn't really see that because of my hands. Cut that just like that. There we go. I think we just repaired this. So now all we have to do is throw everything back together. I'm going to remove this. So let me just show you. Got just like that. I got it working. Let's just quickly do a little test. I believe it goes in like this. Voila! Look at that. Works like a charm. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like. Thank you.